Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting Split View now. First, confirm both apps are open and resizable, and that Mac OS is updated so tiling works reliably. Hover over or press and hold the green full screen button in the Window's top left corner to reveal the tile choices, then pick left or right. Once one side is locked, Mission Control or the dock will prompt you to pick the other app for the remaining tile. This gets you into a two-app layout without creating extra desktops. Once both apps are tiled, adjust the workflow by dragging the vertical divider to allocate more space to one app. This feels immediate and helps prioritize content. Make sure to use app-specific keyboard shortcuts for precise resizing if you need equal halves or custom ratios. If you want to swap sides, drag the Window's title bar into the other tile area, or use Mission Control to drag windows between spaces. If an app refuses to tile, it may not support Split View, so choose a compatible alternative or continue manually arranging windows. To finish, click the green full screen button again or press ESC to exit Split View. Windows return to their previous sizes and spaces. If you need more than two apps, Stage Manager or additional desktops give you quick context switching without losing layout. Make sure to save work before exiting. If Split View doesn't engage, restart the apps, check displays and mission control settings, and update Mac OS. Often a simple restart or enabling spaces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.